Hey beauties, so I am back again for the last piece of this video before I pack it up and head out of town. I am going to start to pack. I'm not going to record the whole thing of me packing because how boring would that be? But I thought I'd show you some things that I got to be able to just take a carry-on bag, right? So went to handy dandy Target, because those that know me well know Target is my jam, right? And I bought a bunch of toiletries, right? So I got mini lotions. There's wrinkle release stuff in case I need to get some wrinkles out of my clothes. I got a first aid kit. It was suggested that we bring an umbrella. Isn't she cute? I love it. It's like an umbrella. Oops. Some Advil. Of course, the handy dandy Clorox wipes, because you know. What else is in here? Oh, dental picks, because I always need those. And so it's just basically stuff like that. And then oh, and this cute little poofy spongy thingy to go in there. And then I got these containers. So I was watching a video of someone talking about how to pack, right? And I told you I just got to take some stuff. As you can see, I am not going to be looking cute on this video at all, because this is the real deal stuff. So what you see is what you get. But this woman was talking about using these kind of like flask type bags to store your stuff in. So I need to take product from my hair and stuff like that, right? So I'm just gonna fill up a few of these, and I love that it has this top, and then I'll be able to just squeeze it out. And it comes with labels, so I'll be able to label what I have. And then it had a few like these little jars. Let's see if I can take it out of this plastic. You can see it. Had these jars like this with these little tops that go on there that you can pump stuff out of or whatever. So I'm gonna just figure out the ones that I really need. I got them on Amazon. This whole pack was like $15 or something. So I'm gonna use those to pack my stuff. Anything else that I think you should know? Nope. And then I just bought a new book, which is in the room. So I have a book, a big thick book, because I have been enjoying getting back to reading. So I bought myself a book that should, hopefully, if all goes well, I should be able to read that book the entire time I'm there and finish it in the 30 days that I'm gone. So as far as what I'm packing, for the yoga retreat, we're supposed to bring something white. So I have this two-piece gauzy outfit that I think I've only worn it once. I was determined not to buy a lot of stuff. And of course now the sun is gonna get in my face. Okay, so I have this two-piece pants, right? And it's just lightweight. So I'm gonna take that to wear for the white. And then I pulled out my swimsuit. So I have a bunch of swimsuits that I'm taking. This is one of my favorite ones, this yellow one here. And then I have a black one and a green one. And then I have a couple more pulled out over here just to give me some options. I'm probably only gonna take 3. I have a two-piece one that's really cute. It's like the boys shorts. And you know, this little halter top. I really like this one because it has this extra piece. If you can kind of see it, it crosses over and gives it a little more detail. So I really like that one. This one is super cute. I've been to a lot of like Hawaii, places like that, so I have a lot of swimsuits. So I just pulled out some options, right? This one is super cute too because it has this like little top that ties around your neck, and then it's a cutout, right? So you get a little cleavage area. I might take that. And this one is just it's just a goodie, right? It's not cute, but it looks really cute on because of the detail of it, just to throw it on. And I like this one because you can throw it on and put a skirt over top of it or some pants and just be out in the street like a tank top. So I have those. And then I told you I'm going to a yoga retreat. So I pulled out all of my yoga clothes, and check this out. This is where I did buy some stuff. So I went to Dick's Sporting Goods yesterday with my husband, and because he had bought me these cool running shoes, right, for Christmas. So I've been wanting to get back into running, and he bought me a new pair of running shoes. Look at these. They're Brooks, which is a really good brand of running shoe. But he had bought me a size that was, it was a half a size too small. So I went back with him yesterday to get these. And while I was in the store, I saw this Nike, it's like a crop top situation. And I just had to have it because I already have these red leggings, right? And I have a red sports bra somewhere on this bed that I'm gonna wear with this. So I couldn't help that one, right? So that was what I bought that was new. And then I bought this Nike sports top, right? Because I love stuff like this because you could throw it on with shorts, anything, and you got an outfit, so flip-flops and go. So that was it. And some new footies because I desperately needed those. Everything else on this bed is stuff I've already had. Oh, here's my bag of toiletries, right? So toothpaste, some shaving cream, because y'all know if you're going on to a beach place, you gotta make sure you're keeping their hairs under control. I love these Olive Olay mini body washes, so I got some of that. Of course, I got some sunscreen. Yep, that's it. And I already had deodorant and all of that stuff. I also got this from Ulta. It is the Shiseido sunscreen. It is 50 plus SPF for my face because I have really been into my skincare. I told you guys I love skincare. I think I mentioned that before, right? And so I want to make sure that my skin is protected while I'm beaching it a little bit. So I got this too. The rest of the stuff is clothes I already had. So what's on this bed is just stuff I'm gonna pack. Little sundresses. I packed a lot of color stuff because I thought if I have this colored shirt, I can throw it over this sundress. I have this sporty one, which I really like. So when you put it on, it's off the shoulder. You draw the string. It can be cropped or you can wear it longer because the string adjusts how short it is at the bottom. And then a bunch of little other sundresses up here that I'm going to take. Some color, some simple, right? Just, oh, these are pants. I love these. I thought I could throw it over this top over top, and with my white t-shirt underneath there would be super cute. I call this my moo dress because I love it. It's so easy peasy. I just throw this on and I'm out the door with some flip-flops. This one Has little cutouts in the back. This is the back of it. You can see it has like a little cutout. This is the front. It's like rubber. Cute, right? And then this dress I really like. It has this kind of Spanish style to it. It's very comfortable, but you could dress it up or dress it down. So I'll take that. And then I'm telling you, weird things, right? I had a dream that I was on my vacation wearing this dress. And I was like that, and it felt really good. So I was like, I better take that. So I'm going to take that. And the rest of these are just some shorts, my pajamas. And I bought these new pajamas. I had to get these too. I bought a new pair of pajamas. Look at these from Target. How much do I love these? I wish you could feel them. They're so soft. So I bought those. And just some little tank tops that I always get from Target every year. It's a ritual with me to buy new ones from Target. So while I was in there, I was like, this is the perfect time to get one. This is a little white crop shirt. And then I got a pink one as well, right? So that's basically all I'm going to take. And then some sandals, probably the ones I'm wearing, which is the Birkenstock. I love these. They're so comfortable. I'm going to take those. And one, maybe, I have these. Let's see if I can find them. Yeah, here we are. So I have these sparkly ones that I love to take when I'm on vacation because you can dress up anything with these things on. I put these on and some earrings and I'm out, right, with a sundress. So that's basically what I'm going to be taking on my trip. I'm going to get this stuff in my suitcase. I showed you my new suitcase. I'm so excited about that. So basically there's nothing else left for me to do but to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and get myself packed up. Today is Sunday. So I'm going to get the base of my stuff packed up so I can work it out in the suitcase and make sure I have pretty much everything I need. The toiletries is always packed that the night before I go, just, you know, because I have to use some stuff. So I'm going to pack that up. And maybe once I get my suitcase packed up, I'll kind of show you what it looks like in there. Packing in a carry-on suitcase, this stuff. So we'll see if it all fits. We see how I edit it out. And the next time you probably will see me is when I get ready to go. Maybe I'll make a little I'm on my way video and post it. I want to thank all of you for supporting me on this journey and taking the ride with me. And I want to thank, you know, my friends who have been really supportive. My family have been supportive. And especially I got to give a shout out to my husband. You know, I haven't gone into a lot of detail, but it has been, we are exactly a year into one of the most interestingly challenging years of our marriage. And when I say that, I mean just between him and I, right? Just challenging. And having to work it out, right? And I am so grateful for that challenge. I wasn't grateful when we first started because I was like, what in the hell is happening here, right? You know, one of these days, if he's into it, maybe we will do a video together and we'll talk about it a little bit because it's important. My whole premise of this channel, right, is it's a life that's fit for you, right? And I'm using my life as an example to show you how you can create a life that's fit for you and overcome obstacles that you have to overcome in order to get to it. So 2022 had a lot of obstacles and a lot of unexpected obstacles, right? And I'm so glad to say here we are at 2023, around the same time when the obstacles first showed up, that we are better for it. We are communicating better. We are being more honest and open with each other. And if you watch this, I love you and I appreciate this journey that you and I have taken together. And I think this is only going to make it better. All right, so let me get to packing. I will see you when I'm on my sabbatical. See you later.